I strongly believe that history is the best Linux shell command, because when it comes down to it, I really don't want to remember how to write anything that's overly complicated. But let me start from the beginning. As you might already know, the history is accessible in your shell by using the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard. In addition, typing out history in your shell prints out all previous commands recorded inside your history file as well as your current session. You can also call a particular entry with the exclamation mark called a bang and its history number. Although scrolling through the history works, my preferred way to search is by grabbing for whatever I can still remember from when I last used a CLI program or command. And from my experience, in 99% of the cases, I immediately find what I need. For the record, in addition to grabbing, you can also press Ctrl R for a quick reverse lookup, but I personally never grew to like this feature. Furthermore, one great thing about the history is that it gives you a glimpse into what you did the last time you used the machine. For example, I have a couple of Linux VMs which need regular maintenance, but I always forget the procedure, which I then can easily look back up. As a fan of the history command, I also recommend tweaking your history settings to at least increase the max history size. You can easily define this using your bashrc configuration. In fact, people quite frequently customize the history behavior to their own liking and needs. It is also good to know that you can avoid adding commands to your history by prefixing them with a space. And if you accidentally put something secret into your history, you can easily remove it by using the -d argument to delete, then followed by the -w argument to write your deletion. Finally, don't forget to take regular backups of your history, or you may need to start from scratch when you switch machines. This may or may not have happened to me recently. Before ending the video, I also wanted to give a shout out to the second best command, which is SL. As you can see, this command makes an ASCII train drive across your terminal, and seriously, what more could you wish for? That's it, and I thank you for watching.